Tricia here. So yesterday I created a poll in my story asking people if you want mental health as my next content on my vlog, and majority voted for yes. That's why we're doing this. I'm not doing this for attention. Also, it's not for pity. It's not for clout. And it's not for money because I'm not monetized, don't worry. I'm just basically doing the purpose of my vlog, and why I created this in the first place is for me to fight whatever it is that I'm going through. And I hope that through this I could be a voice for people who don't have the courage to speak up about this topic. This is quite a sensitive matter. That's why I've put on my intro. If you're not really interested on discussions about mental health, just please stop watching, because it's better for you not to watch it than for you to watch it, then bash it and give hate comments. It's not really helping me, and it's not helping others who are also going through the same things as me. There's a lot that went through or transpired, and it's hard for me to summarize all of it, but I'll try to make this as brief and as meaningful as possible. I'm not generalizing. I think most people who's been diagnosed like me are experiencing somehow the same things as I am. Typically, you could see this in televisions. It's being portrayed in teleseries. The broken family story. It's like me, my parents are separated, but there's a twist to it. My mom used to be an OFW, an overseas Filipino worker, and my dad, he's been addicted to drugs. I've been diagnosed with MDD, or major depressive disorder. It's also known as unipolar or clinical depression. I'll just be flashing the definition on the screen. Let's summarize everything. Let's start with preschool, which comprises of nursery and kinder. I was bullied because I was different. I write slowly because I'm very particular with the blue lines. Most kids hated me for writing slowly, and I was afraid of mascots, which makes me also different because most kids love mascots. So from then, I promised myself that when I transfer to another school, I will make sure that I would excel and I would not let anyone bully me. So I transferred school. I only have the same school for elementary and high school. So I excelled. I was active both in academic and extracurricular activities. I was into class elections. I do hosting. I participate in contests, and I was into sports. I always host school events, school programs, sports fest, whatever programs you could think of. I was close to my teachers because I see to them a parent figure since my parents are away. But of course, if you're a kid, you're a student, you would take that negatively, that, oh, she's a teacher's pet and sip siya and everything, without them taking into consideration other factors like what I'm experiencing. Fast forward to college, it was a very different environment since I came from an all-girls school in elementary and high school. Being in college is a way different thing. It has guys on it. And to cut this story short, the whole college life was just hell. It was a mess because men in our class just objectified me as a woman. And the worst part is, my professors know about it, my teachers know about it, blockmates who are girls also know about it, but they choose not to act upon it. In our course, broadcasting, is always group works, and the struggle of people who's not into groups, who's not the type of person who actually belong, who's the one considered as an outcast, it's really a tragedy for them to work in groups, because even if you're not doing anything wrong, your grades will be pulled down just because of the fact that people don't like you. That's the thing, people are aware but they're not doing anything. They're indifferent, they're insensitive, and that's hurting. It's just sad to have the fact that people are aware but you're not doing anything. Most of the times, I've always blamed myself because I'm the one who's different. That's the reason why I went to seek out help into a professional. But you see, some professionals tend to be the most insensitive and indifferent one. Just like mine, she's blaming me. My doctor was blaming me for everything that I'm experiencing. She said that if most people don't like me, then it's my fault. And I have never forgotten that day and that statement that it's my fault. Fast forward to all my experiences, it's gone from the school thing. Now we're working. Okay, I graduated, so I worked. The first company that I was in, again, people hated me. They created a dummy account just because that person liked the guy who liked me. So I left because I don't want to fight. I'm tired of fighting. In all aspects, you always fight, but it's a long process. There's always a long process to get the justice that you deserve. So it's just so tiring to fight for something that wouldn't end up well. It's an unending process of seeking justice. You will never get it. That's the reality for me. I'm not generalizing anything. I forgot to tell about my first relationship. It was a mess because he doesn't understand me. And whenever I tried to open up, he would think that it's just drama. So if you're in that kind of relationship and you are struggling with your mental health, just do yourself a favor and get out of the relationship because it will not do you any good. I hope you find someone who understands you and supports you. Going to what I'm experiencing with this illness. I've been doing self-harm, but it has not yet led to suicide. Just always think that even if no one supports you, you got yourself, you have to believe in yourself, and you have to support yourself because no one would ever support you if you yourself wouldn't. I keep telling that to myself, but it doesn't work. But I hope it works for you. I don't really know how to finish this, but I just want to say that to everyone who's been going through this, we have ways to survive, and I know that you could just keep on fighting even if we don't know where this would end up. Just keep on fighting. And if your medications doesn't help you anymore, just stop it. I'm not a medical professional, but if you feel like your medications aren't helping you anymore, just help yourself, because I think it's only us who could really help ourselves, not others. We cannot force people to understand. We cannot force people to accept. We cannot force people to support us. We cannot force people to love us. So the things that you want others to do to you, just do it to yourself. We're all in this together. Before we end this vlog, I want to thank everyone who supported me. We've reached 1,000 subscribers, and again, just keep on fighting. Even if you don't know the reason why you're fighting, just keep on fighting, because one day maybe something good will happen. And do something that helps you release, whether it be through singing, through drawing, through art, through vlogging. Do whatever it is that will help you release your negativities in a productive manner. I know that doing self-harm is a way of release, but if you come to think of it, you're already hurting and you're hurting yourself pa. Diba? Don't add up to the hurt that you're feeling. So just do something productive that you like or that you're capable of. Just like this, I'm doing vlogging. Hydrate yourself, drink lots of water. If you don't have appetite to eat, just at least drink water, because it's very important to be hydrated always. And just remember, if you feel like no one's supporting you, no one understands you, again, you got yourself. And you could always comment down or message me. It's in the description box, my social media accounts. We could talk, we could help each other, we could support each other. So I hope this video helped. And again, it's not for attention, it's not for pity, it's not for clout, it's not for money, it's for you guys. It's for us to help each other and support each other. And I hope you'll make it that we'll. See you again.